Welcome back to round 2 of Titan Truck's 2022 calendar contest. Round 1 finalists were announced last week and are already competing for likes and shares. Today, we announce the round 2 finalists as selected by Titan Truck and throw them into the mix. All finalists will compete on Facebook and Instagram for likes and shares. The top 2 in each vehicle category are in the calendar. Your vehicle will be professionally photographed and you'll receive $500 to spend at Titan Truck. How cool is that? The winners will be announced Monday, October 11th on social media. Okay, but before we get to round 2 finalists, if you don't see your build roll across the screen, you are unfortunately not a finalist. As much as that might sting, check your email inbox. We've sent you a credit that you can use at titantruck.com or in our physical store as a thank you for participating. Ready? Here are Titan Truck's 2022 round 2 finalists. Phew, 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 phew. They're flying all around my head. That's all for now. If you're a finalist, start sharing your calendar entry post to get those likes and shares up. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and tune in on October 11th when the winners are announced. I'm Cody from Titan Truck, and we'll see you next time.